Compensation? That's theft, and you just admitted to it.
Call it what you want, man.
Hey, just following up on your stay. Hope everything went all right.
Yeah, man. Why you calling?
Well, after you checked out, we noticed a couple of things missing from the apartment, specifically a brand new washer and dryer set. Any idea what happened there?
Oh, no clue, man. Maybe your cleaners took them.
We checked the security footage. You were caught loading them into your truck.
Man, that could have been anybody. Those cameras ain't, they ain't exactly HD, you know what I'm saying?
It's literally crystal clear. We watched you carry them out piece by piece.
All right, look, I took them, man. So what? You overcharged that place anyway. Consider it compensation.
Compensation? That's theft, and you just admitted to it.
Call it what you want, man. Ain't my problem now.
I'm filing a claim through Airbnb, and this is going straight to the police.
Oh, come on, man. Could have called the cops over a washer or a dryer?
You have until the end of the day to return them, or I am going to escalate.
Fine, but you're paying for the shipping.
Not a chance. You stole them, you bring them back.